Here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your ALCATEL, wait for it to completely shut down, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key. Okay, so here in this menu you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, just like this. And you have to select the first option, recovery mode. And after that you'll end up in recovery mode. So here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.